guys, I'm back with another video. My dinner is all ready and all ready to be eaten. I have me 2 baked chicken wings. I have me some buttered rice. I have me some asparagus over there. And this is my, let me find it, pasta salad. There we go. Here's my pasta salad that I had left over from on yesterday. This is my dessert, a blueberry muffin. I have me a Mountain Dew. And I have me some Texas Pete hot sauce, my favorite hot sauce, you guys. So, what I'm about to do is get ready to eat. And I'm about to enjoy myself. And after I eat, I guess I'll go upstairs, you guys, and get ready for work. And I probably will be chatting with you guys tomorrow with another video. And I thank you guys for watching. And you have a blessed Sunday. Bye-bye now.